Hi, and welcome to ProMRO for Acumatica. ProMRO is an embedded add-on for Acumatica tailored for the MRO industry. Today, we will be reviewing the features that make ProMRO a great fit for the maintenance, repair, and overhaul industry. ProMRO has an impressive list of features, including quick quoting, item requirements, and customer equipment tracking, just to name a few. ProMRO incorporates service profiles, which are time-saving, predefined templates for repeatable work that enhance the Acumatica opportunities and projects experience by defining revenue and cost budgets for use in estimates and projects. ProMRO includes item search categories for intuitive part groupings, so users can find parts quickly when giving estimates and processing orders. ProMRO makes quick quoting and project conversion fast and seamless by extending Acumatica Opportunities functionality and incorporating service profile templates. Item Requirements works within the project module and allows users to issue stock or place purchase orders directly from the project for items that are specified on that project. ProMRO Customer Equipment Tracking associates service profiles, estimates, and projects with customer-specific equipment for historical and audit purposes. ProMRO works within the Acumatica framework to enhance standard functionality by streamlining estimate and project creation and more. ProMRO for Acumatica offers a complete ERP solution and works seamlessly within Acumatica. Thank you for joining us today. Please contact your Acumatica partner, Acumatica, or Clients First for more information on ProMRO.